find a power series representation for the following function and determine its interval of convergence. G of x is equals to 1 over 1 plus x cubed. We need to do here is to relate this function back to 2. This is actually easier than it might look. Recall that the x in 2 is simply a variable and can represent anything. So a quick rewrite of g of x gives g of x is equals to 1 over 1 minus negative x cubed. And so the negative x cubed in g of x holds the same place as the x in 2. Therefore, all we need to do here is replace the x, and we've got a power series representation for g of x. G of x equals summation infinity n is equals to 0 negative x cubed n, provided absolute negative x cubed is smaller than 1. Notice that we replace both the x in the power series and in the interval of convergence. All we need to do now is a little simplification. G of x is equals to summation infinity n is equals to 0 negative 1 raised to n x3 n, provided absolute x cubed is smaller than 1. Absolute x smaller than 1. So in this case, the interval of convergence is the same as the original power series. This usually won't happen. More often than not, the new interval of convergence will be different from the original interval of convergence. The interval of convergence of this example is negative 1 greater than x greater than 1. So in between of negative 1 and positive 1.